va faire les nombres ordinaux. Les nombres cardinaux, c'est quoi? Par exemple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ce sont des nombres cardinaux. Les nombres ordinaux, which tell you the rank, like first, second, third, fourth. How do you say that in French? Okay, so we are doing that. First is premier. 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 Okay. Alors, après, what do you need to do? You will always add en. Always. D'accord? What's two in French? De. De. So you just need to add en. Deuxième. Deuxième. Puis, trois. Alors, troisième. The next rule. If your number ends with E, then you need to cut E. Okay? If your number ends with E, then you need to cut E. So, par exemple, 4. 4 is this. You will cut E. Quatrième. 5. 5 is a little exception. There's U in between. Cinquième. Okay? Vivek, continue.
16e.
Sixième. Okay, on mute. Sneha.
Septième.
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 Septième. Très bien. Samira.
Huitième.
Huitième. Très bien. Sayed. Okay, so there is a new rule. If your number ends with F, then what happens? F, V. F changes into V. Alors, neuvième. Très bien. Pretty.
Oui. Dixième.
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 Oui. Qui va continuer? Garima.
Onzième.
Onzième. Now, mute your call. Onze is like this, so you will cut O, E, I'm sorry. Onzième. Sumera.
Douzième.
Douzième. Bravo. Tripti.
Treizième.
Treizième. Bravo. Quatorzième. Rajiv.
Quinzième.
Quinzième. Oui. And after that, what Rajesh said, seizième. Seizième. Rahul.
17e.
Oui, très bien. 17e. Raman.
Huitième.
Oui, 18e. Qui va continuer? Sarah.
9e.
19e. 19e. Tripti.
20e.
20e. Just last one. Rajiv.
Vante premier?
No.
No?
21e.
Okay. That was an exception.
Which one? You say first only in the case of premier.
Okay.
After that, 21e, 31e, 41e.
Got it.
Always
Thanks.
like that. So if you want to say it in English, you say it in two senses. Like you say first, or you also write it like this. First, right? So how do you write that in French? First is premier, premier, comme ça. So only in the case of first you write ER, but otherwise you write it like this. Deuxième, always E on the top. D'accord? Troisième. and it will continue. 4e, 5e, always.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have also launched our YouTube membership of various levels with tons of benefits. You can check the same by clicking on the join button you're seeing on your screen just below the video. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir et bisous bisous.